What's the meaning of crème de cassis? Crème de cassis. Crème de cassis.
Crème de cassis. Crème de cassis. Crème de cassis is a sweet, dark red liqueur made from blackcurrants. It originated in France and is often used as a flavoring or ingredient in cocktails and desserts. The liqueur has a rich, fruity taste with a slightly tart undertone, and is often described as tasting like a mix of blackberries and raspberries. When used in cocktails, it adds a depth of flavor and sweetness, and can also be paired with champagne for a classic French drink known as a Cassis Royale. Additionally, crème de cassis can be used as a dessert topping or mixed into baked goods for a unique twist on traditional recipes.